In this video, I'll show you how to strip paint from plastic miniatures using Purple Power Cleaner and Degreaser. Let's start with what you're going to need. Firstly, a glass jar with a lid to hold your stripping solution. The lid helps prevent evaporation and spills, while also limiting unnecessary exposure to the product between uses. Secondly, a long-handled spoon to retrieve the miniature. You want the handle to be longer than the jar you're using. It just makes it much easier to fish the miniature out without having to reach into the solution. Thirdly, a plastic container filled with warm water for rinsing and scrubbing. Use warm water, not boiling water. Boiling water can warp plastic, and that's the last thing you want happening to your miniatures. You also want to scrub the miniature while it's submerged in the water. This prevents loosened paint from splattering all over your workspace. Instead, it stays contained in the water. Item number 4. An old medium bristled toothbrush works great for scrubbing the miniature. The more bristles, the better. Next, latex gloves. These chemicals are harsh and you don't want to get it on your skin. Pick up these reusable kitchen gloves because you will be using them a lot. And finally, a pair of safety goggles to protect your eyes from accidental splashes. And that's it. Let's move on to the actual process of soaking and scrubbing. So how does Purple Power actually strip the paint? Acrylic paint is made up of pigments suspended in an acrylic polymer binder, and it's that binder that holds the paint together and helps it adhere to the miniature. Purple Power is a strong alkaline cleaner that penetrates the paint and helps weaken that binder, causing the paint to soften and loosen its grip on the surface. Once that happens, you can physically scrub the loosened paint away with a toothbrush. It's important to understand that not every degreaser would do this. If Purple Power isn't available where you live, you can look for a similar strong alkaline degreaser. However, different products use different formulations, and I can't guarantee that another alkaline degreaser won't damage your miniatures. If you're using a product other than Purple Power, test it on a spare piece of plastic or an inexpensive miniature first, before using it on anything you care about. But getting back to Purple Power, this product takes some patience. In my testing, I found that the best approach was to work in 12-hour intervals over the course of 2 days. After the first 12 hours, remove the miniature and give it a thorough scrub with your toothbrush. Inspect the model, then return it to the Purple Power for another 12-hour soak. Repeat this process at the 24 and 36-hour marks, scrubbing the miniature after each 12-hour soak and return it to the solution if there's still paint you want to remove. At the 48-hour mark, give the miniature its final scrub. You'll probably notice different layers coming away at different stages. The varnish and outer paint layers may loosen first, while the base coat and especially the primer can take considerably longer. Exactly how quickly this happens will depend on the type of paint, varnish, and primer used, as well as how heavily they were applied. For Purple Power, I found that the repeated scrubbing was an important part of the process. Each scrub removes the paint that has already softened and exposes the layers underneath to the cleaner during the next 12-hour soak. After 48 hours, if there's still a little paint left behind, don't worry, you don't need to get every last bit of it off. Getting around 90% of the paint off is usually more than enough to repaint the miniature, especially if what's left is just a few small patches in the recesses. The goal isn't necessarily to get the model looking brand new. It's to remove enough of the old paint that you have a clean, smooth surface to work with again. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, consider subscribing. New videos come out weekly, and if there's a guide you'd particularly like to see, leave a comment. Thank you for watching.